The American Brothers black oil catch can that we have here today will be a great choice for the 09 and newer 5.7 and 6.4 HEMI owners who might be looking to keep their engines a little bit cleaner while adding some cool customization at the same time. Now, this made in the USA kit will feature a black billet aluminum canister and it is topped off with the officially licensed Mopar Scat Pack logo, all for right around that low $200 price point. Install is going to get a solid 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Take about an hour or so to complete from start to finish. But if you hang with me for a bit, guys, we'll walk you through this job later in the video. So long story short, your HEMI has what is called a PCV system, or positive crankcase ventilation. Now, the purpose of this system is to regulate and remove oily vapors and fumes caused during combustion from the engine crankcase and to help alleviate crankcase pressure, which otherwise could lead to oil leaks or seal damage. Now, unfortunately, stricter emissions laws mandated that the PCV system be sealed at all times, using vacuum from the intake manifold to kind of help draw these oily vapors out and actually plumb them back into the intake tract to ultimately be burned off again during the combustion cycle. However, those oily vapors have been known to coat the inside of the intake manifold over time and even leave deposits on the intake valves, which is obviously no good, right? Now, that's where the American Brothers catch can comes into play. Using a combination of the stainless steel mesh inside here along with your aluminum honeycomb filter up top, basically what this guy is going to do is allow those oily vapors to pass through the catch can itself, where the filter media basically collects and isolates all of that oily junk in the canister while still allowing that fresh, clean air to pass through the PCV system. Now, as far as construction is concerned, well, you are looking again at a simple billet aluminum canister. Has been finished off in a beautiful gloss black paint job here or finish. But the big appeal with this particular kit will no doubt be the officially licensed Scat Pack engraving right up top here. Now, this is one of a few different designs available from American Brothers that you can actually find here at AmericanMuscle.com. So if you want to browse the rest of the selection, definitely encourage you to do so. Last but not least, guys, this kit does include all of your fittings, hoses, and everything else needed for the installation. Now, speaking of that install, this is going to be a very simple and straightforward task. So again, 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, maybe an hour of your time to get everything in place from start to finish. But to give you a better idea of just how things will go down on your HEMI at home, check out our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown now.
Tools for this install: an electric ratchet or ratchet, a 5/16 Allen key or bit, and a 15mm socket. First step is to remove your engine cover if you still have it. Simply pull up on it and pull away. Next, using your 15mm socket, remove the bolt underneath the MAF sensor. Next, remove your breather tube from the side of the block and install your oil separator using the kit provided hardware. And a 5/16 Allen key or bit. Now, your longer hose is going to go from the furthest fitting all the way to the top. And your shorter hose is going to go to the 2 closest fittings. And given that your engine cover no longer fits with the oil separator on, there's no need to put that back. And if you would like to retain your engine cover, you do need to do a bit of trimming to fit the oil separator as well as the hosing. To empty out your catch can, simply loosen up the bolt, no need to fully remove it. Lift up on the bracket and twist the bottom half off. And that's going to wrap it up for our review and install of the American Brothers design oil separator with Scat Pack Font, fitting your 09 and newer 5.7 HEMI charger. Thanks for watching, guys, and for more videos just like this, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.